The AMZCHEF Espresso Machine delivers a rich crema and bold flavor thanks to its 20-bar high-pressure extraction, offering an authentic espresso experience at home. Its powerful 1350-watt heating system ensures your coffee is ready in just 30 seconds, making it perfect for busy mornings. With advanced NTC technology, this machine provides precise 3-level temperature control to suit your personal taste for optimal espresso flavor. The 360-degree adjustable steam wand allows you to create silky milk foam like a professional barista, enhancing your cappuccinos and lattes. The sleek stainless steel design is complemented by a 44-ounce removable water tank, which simplifies refilling and cleaning. For added convenience and safety, the machine features a 15-minute auto-off function that promotes energy efficiency and peace of mind.